Hello, everybody. Let's talk about reducing fear and enhancing confidence. Now, true confidence comes from knowing. The knowing that what you have and what you don't have. The knowing about your strengths, your weaknesses, your limitations, your powers, your true nature. Now you see, we all have limitations. As a human being, we have only two hands. But does that mean that we cannot lift heavy weights? We human beings have invented machines that can lift heavy weights and take it from one place to another. So although we have limitations, we can make and purchase machines to overcome our limitation because we have strength. Our strengths are our mind. So if we know what is our true strength and what is our limitation, we can be more confident and the fear can be reduced. Our strength and our limitations are equally important to know. Now, when we see others doing something that we cannot do, something that really we think we don't have it in us, so what generally does happen to us? We feel inferior, we feel lower emotions sometimes. Instead, if we can bring in the emotion of appreciation, can we just appreciate the ability? Can we compliment that person? Oh my God, you have such a wonderful talent, or you have such a beautiful smile. Now, why am I telling this? You see, if we want to remove the darkness, what do we need? Light. Where there is light, there is no darkness. Where there is a positive emotion, a negative emotion like jealousy, hatred, inferiority complex, overwhelmment do not survive. And these negative emotions bring us down and take us away from knowing our strengths. The negative emotions will only show us our weaknesses, our limitations. But we want to know our strength, we want to build the confidence, and we want to reduce the fear. So, bringing in appreciation where there is a possibility of a negative emotion really brings up that shield, that wall, and protects us from the negative emotions. This is a skill. It will need some time and practice to build up. What it takes is awareness. Awareness of what you think and what you feel. Awareness of your thoughts and your emotions. How does this awareness come in? All we need to do is strengthen our connection with the source. Again, that comes with practice. It is a skill. Continue the practice of strengthening your connection through whatever method you use. And remember, always bring in appreciation, compliments whenever you see there is a possibility of a negative emotion. Now with this, I want to announce something. I want to announce the launch of my course. The course of Reduce Fear and Enhance Confidence Through Awareness. Now this will be a video-based course where you will be sent short videos. You will need 15 to 20 minutes each day. And instructions will be provided through the videos. But there will be some prerequisite to begin the course. So if you think you resonate with the course, if you want to work on your fears, on your confidence, you can contact me personally, and we can discuss what the course is all about. Thank you for listening. Have a great day.